Governor was a senator.
Both, sir.
But, okay, last week I also experienced the same thing as you were asking. The governor of Katsina was here, but I think is nothing but in connection with his people that he wants to show solidarity. There are members of PDP from the House of Representatives, 3 of them, that shows interest, willingness, without prejudice, coming into our party. And that, I think, what brought the governor of Katsina to be with them, and then also to discuss issues of importance of the nation with the Mr. Speaker. And today, not only governors, we see with our national chairman, and we have our key people whom were already members of APC for the first 5-6 years. But unfortunately, as you know, politics of tussle, tabla, settable, and all sorts and so forth. So they are not able to secure a ticket in our party, but deep in them, they believe in APC, which they are members. So they contested in the platform of PDP, and now they decide to come back home. This is a great and tremendous a kind of success to our party in Kebbi State, our party in the Northwest, and our party in the Northern Nigeria. So Senator Aliru, Senator Abdullahi, and Senator Maidoki, all of them are here. So that's why the governor of Kebbi was here to also show solidarity, to welcome into the party of APC, or they welcome them back into the party of APC, and as well to also appreciate the effort of the national chairman, effort of everyone who put hand to ensure that this will become as a kind of a success. So that's why you experience a kind of what's going on there.
Your Excellency, are you not afraid of the country drifting into one states?
Well, that's what people are saying, but I think I don't think so, because Nigeria is a larger democracy, and we have about 56 parties. So there's no how that you will say that APC will remain, everybody will come to APC. There's 56 political parties registered. So definitely people have to contest. There'll be a kind of a competition. Maybe there may be a weaker. APC may be continue to be what they are, but at least we are not aiming to that. But we welcome everyone that what we're after is to ensure that good governance and success in our 2027 election. And we are praying, working harder to ensure that we get a success. Thank you very much.
Zoba now.
They are giving chairman. They are giving
Why can you give us a